I really don't know what to talk about. I'm just exploring, checking out roads. Roads are cool. They're made of pavement, and there's trees around them, and there's a motorcycle on them with me on top. And my leather jacket is ridiculously wet because the other day I rode to work and back, and on the way back it started pouring with rain, and I got completely soaked, which was not horrible, but not terribly fun either. Like everybody says, you're not a real biker until you ride in the rain, which I don't know. I hear a lot of different things, like people say, oh, you're not a real biker until you ride in the rain. You're not a real biker until you crash. You're not a real biker until this. You're not a real biker until that. Blah, 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 blah. I've ridden in the rain. I've crashed. I've done a lot of stuff. Whoa. Holy dog, Batman. You're not a real biker until you hit a dog with your motorcycle. Well, today I became a real biker then. That would be a horrible video, wouldn't it? Have like the SPCA and like, I don't know, all them like humane treatment of animal group things, animal rights people be like beating my door down. I have no idea where I'm going, but the road is getting smaller in leaps and bounds. It's also getting more graveler. And see, this is what's cool about a dual sport. This is why you want a supermoto or a dual sport. Somebody come and try this on your... Oop, there's a snake there I just ran over. Don't tread on me. Well, rode on him. But come try this on your sport bike. You're not going to feel comfortable going down this road on a sport bike. Maybe you would. I don't know. Some guys would. I would have done it with my CBR 600, but then again, I rode that through a field too, so... Like going into the woods here. No dumping. Is this somebody's driveway or is this really a road? Oh. Hole in the road. This looks like somewhere that there's going to be a guy standing at the end with a shotgun. What's this? There's a big sign. Let's read the big sign. Oh, there's another cool idea I had. Just thought of. My wife rides a Suzuki GS500, which is like kind of a sport bike. Man, I gotta go down there. I gotta find a way to get down there. But she rides a GS500, which it's like a naked sport bike, I guess they call it. It's got no fairings, but it's a 500 twin, carbureted, and I don't know what else to tell you about it. Oh, cool outhouses. I'm so getting lost back in here. But I've thought about, since her bike is kind of not so off-road capable, you can get dual sport tires that will fit it, and it would cost about $100 for set for the front and the rear. This is awesome. turned around over here. Check this out. Whoa! We gotta go back here. I don't know if I'm supposed to be riding in this area or not, but check this out. This is awesome. But anyways, so I want to put these Dualsport tires on my wife's GS500. And the idea is, of course, it's never going to be as capable off-road as my bike. Obviously, this is designed for on-road or off-road, but it would be more capable than it is now with street tires, so she might be able to follow me along on some of these cool little trails and stuff that I find, which would be very much fun, because I find all these little cool places that I want to go back to on my motorcycle, and she wants to come along with me, but can't because it's too rough, and her bike will just fall over, or slide all over the place, or something else that would not be fun to happen when you're on a bike. See, I've just condensed like a bunch of videos all into one. Get a Dualsport so you can do stuff like this. Riding off-road is cool, and you want to do it. And take some time to explore. And don't do drugs. Or wait, no. That wasn't one of these videos. Oh well, whatever. Whoa! I got going really fast. Does it look like there's another spot over on the other side that I can get to? Probably not. Let's turn around. I wonder if the dog's still here. Where's the dog? Where's the dog? Where's the dog? There's... That's funny. That dog is gonna get hit. If he does that to a car or something, man. He just comes running out at you. That's hilarious.
Rolling
Have a
some
broom
coal.
handy so that you can clean something up if you